Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for MyFit application. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Tap open MyFit application, and from the very first interface, you'll be able to see two tabs, register and login. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your login address, your password, and tap on login. If you don't have an account yet, you can start by registering for a new account. Type in your email address that you'd like to use for your account. Make sure to enter a valid email address and move on to the next field and create a password for your account. If you want to double check your password, tap on this eye icon in the right corner so that you can reveal your password before continuing. Now finally, tap on register and you have registered for your MyFit application. On the next page, you'll need to enter your information for your profile. Start by naming yourself, type in your first name and then select your gender on the next. Now, into the birthday text field, select your birthday information from the wheel. After you set your birthday, tap on OK. Now, select your height on the next. So now after you select your height, into the target text field, your best weight target will be displayed. And after you complete all the process, tap on Continue. Allow MyFit to access to your device's location by tapping on Allow. You can allow while only using the app by selecting this option right here, or you can allow all the time by tapping on Allow all the time. Let me set it to Allow only while using the app, and you'll need to enable your Bluetooth in order to operate the application. Tap on Allow and your Bluetooth will be turned on. You can go ahead and pair a device by tapping on Click to Pair Device and search for a device that you can pair with, or you can tap on Pair later at the bottom. And there you go. You have successfully signed up for MyFit application. Now, after you pair a device on the application, you'll be able to track your activity and your progress. That is how you can easily sign up for MyFit application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.